Namaste friends. Today we'll talk about the lungs problem. There is a respiratory trouble. Asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease of the airways characterized by reversible airway obstruction, bronchial hyperreactivity, and excess mucus secretion. Causes of asthma: predisposing causes, genetic tendency, family history, atopic allergy constitution, weak immune response. Triggers causes: dust, smoke or pollen, cold air, weather change, respiratory infection, emotional stress, fear, grief, exercise, certain foods like eggs, milk, seafood, drugs, aspirin or beta blocker. Pathophysiology in brief: allergen exposure, immune reaction, inflammation of bronchial mucosa, bronchial muscle spasm, excess mucus, narrowed airways, difficulty in breathing, especially expiration. Signs and symptoms. Common symptoms are breathlessness, whistling sound from chest becomes tight, cough worse at night or early in the morning, thick sticky expectoration. During asthmatic attacks, what happens? Rapid breathing, use of accessories muscles, anxiety, restlessness, cannot lie flat. Red line emergency symptoms. Immediate medical care needed. If severe breathlessness, cannot speak full sentences, bluish lips or nails, cyanosis if occurs, no relief from usual medicine, extreme exhaustion, silent chest, no wheezes. Homeopathic medicines. Homeopathic medicine depends on the constitution and the mind. According to the totality of symptoms. So let us know about few homeopathic remedies which works on asthma very nicely. Arsenic album. Asthma after midnight, 1 to 3 am. Extreme anxiety, restlessness, worse in cold air, better by warmth. Burning sensation in chest. So arsenic album should be given in 30 potency every 3 hourly or 4 hourly. Epicarp. Constant wheezing with much mucus. Cough with nausea and vomiting. No relief after expectoration. Children and acute attack. These are signs and symptoms of epicarp. Anticarp. A very important medicine. The loud rattling of mucus. Weak patient, drowsy, cannot cough out expectoration, elderly or children. These are the symptoms of anticarp. Bryannia alba, a great medicine. Asthma worse on movement, better by rest, better by lying down. Dry cough, stitching chest pain, wants complete rest. Next medicine is natrum sulph, a good medicine, very good medicine. Asthma in damp weather, worse during rainy season. Post pneumonia asthma, early morning aggravation 4 to 5 am. Blata orientalis, a great remedy. Asthma in obese patients, associated with bronchitis, worse in damp, humid weather, excellent in chronic cases. Calicarb. Calicarb, asthma around 3 to 4 am. Sharp, stinging chest pain. Weak black, chilly patient. Weak back, chilly patients. Must sit up to breathe. Cannot lie down. Cannot breathe by lying. Has to sit for the breathing. Next medicine is phosphorus. Tightness of chest. Worse on talking or laughing. Burning in chest. Tall, thin, sensitive person. These are the symptoms of phosphorus. Sorry. No source. Tuberculum. Recurrent asthma and a family history of tuberculosis. Should be taken in 1 m potency every week or 10 days. Medullinium. Asthma worse at night, damp weather. It should also be taken in 1 m potency weekly. Soranum. With chronic dirty looking skin. Offensive discharges. So soranum should be taken in such symptoms 1 m weekly. Few supportive advice. Avoid known triggers. Regular breathing exercise. Keep surrounding dust free. Do not stop inhaler suddenly without any medical advice. Homeopathy supports asthma very nicely and it cures very nicely, and for inhaler also there are medicines for asthma. Friends, I hope you like this video and you will share with your nearest and dearest ones. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hahnemann.